So, ladies and gentlemen, today we have with us Mr. Chetan, who is one of the founder member and probably the first chairman of ASIRT. So, it's been 11 years of a journey for ASIRT. It's like baby growing old and shaping it up in a right way. What do you want to say? What do you feel today when you see it growing like this?
Oh, I think it's an amazing feeling to see the whole industry mature and assert providing a single biggest platform for all of these competitors, as you said. Now, all of them are partners, all of them are friends,
Collaborators.
collaborators, all of them are friends, and they are more than willing to, share business, share opportunities. So it's really, really wonderful what's happened in the last 11 years.
So when you started, could you imagine this would come in place? What were your expectations? Have they fulfilled them? How it has been there?
No, I think Assert has transcended beyond all expectations. It's just grown and multiplied so much. And more than the numbers, the kind of marketplace it's built for all SIs, it's just unimaginable. It was not something that we
It
could,
was not on the list. It
it
was
was
not.
not what we could envisage then.
True, true. It was just a thought. Why don't we create a platform for all the
Yes,
IT
yes,
partners?
yes,
And
yes.
then it grew into a platform like this. One
Yes.
more thing I want to ask specifically. So, of course, Assert talks about business in IT. Why you keep doing such social events? Why you keep doing this cricket tournaments? What's the purpose behind it?
So I think the biggest thing that we envisaged in 2012 is if people can get friendly and they can spend time together, then that ice is shattered between these people. So I think that was the single biggest thing which was in my mind when we started doing all these socials and these events. That once you break the ice between two people, then they are more pally. They can trust each other. So all these events are exactly doing that single purpose.
Yeah, yeah, and I completely like that because I've been to many of Assert events and the networking opportunity that Assert can provide you here. I think that would break the ice and that would build really strong relations that would convert into business gradually.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And I'm sure you would be doing your own business as well. So how it has helped you, this platform, in growing your own business?
Oh, for sorry. So for me, Assert is now a huge network where any opportunity I get that I cannot service, I can look upon this extended family and kind of I can partner and collaborate with others. So Assert has really helped me grow beyond my own capabilities or even beyond geographies. So a huge help for my own business that now Assert that gives.
That's great, I'm sure. So I think all the Assert members has one slogan that एक बार client आता है तो service तो हम ही करेंगे फिर मैं करूँ या कोई Assert का और member करे.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's exactly you said it. I mean, I will do it irrespective of whether it is in my domain or not because I have such a huge, network
Trusted
of.
people who can deliver
Yeah,
in a
yeah,
right way.
absolutely.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much and congratulations for the journey that you started in 2012. Yeah, thank you.